Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing fabulous today, and if you are new over here, welcome to the Philippians family. Thanks for stopping by. In this video I'll be sharing with you how I make my avocado oil. At the end of this video, remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Let's dive right into it. So I purchased these avocado at my local store Walmart, and these two I will be using them to make the oil. The others I'll be putting them up for them to ripe so that I can make avocado cold press oil, and I'll be using fenugreek and rosemary and this grape seed oil. First, I will be cleaning my avocado by washing them with some fresh water. Let me tell you a little about avocado. Avocado can promote hair growth by nourishing the scalp, reducing dandruff, and promoting hair from damage. Avocado contain protein, vitamins, and minerals that can help hair grow faster. It's a good source of biotin, a B complex vitamin that can help hair grow more healthier. It also contains magnesium and potassium. These minerals in avocado help maintain a healthy scalp. Please ensure to dry your avocado after washing them, because you don't want the water to mix with the oil or water getting to your oil. So ensure that you dry them before you actually scrape them out. So guys, what I'm going to do here is to put all ingredients into the blender and blend everything together. This is my rosemary, and I'll be using a tablespoon of rosemary. Rosemary contains compound with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the scalp, potentially promoting healthier hair growth. Here I have some fenugreek powder, and I'll be using a tablespoon. Fenugreek are a good source of iron and protein, essential nutrients for healthy hair growth. Here I have some grapeseed oil, and I will be using about 2 cups of grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil, rich in antioxidant and essential fatty acid, can promote hair growth by nourishing the scalp, strengthening hair follicles, and reducing hair loss, while also moisturizing and adding shine. I'll be doing here is to pour the mixture into this bowl, and after I am going to place it on the stove over a pot of water. So I'll be double boiling it. So as I place the bowl on the pot, I am going to allow it to infuse for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I am turning down the stove because I don't want the water to boil out of the pot too quickly. After about half an hour of infusion, this is how it looks, and I'm just going to stir it for a bit and then let it continue to infuse. This is how it looks after 45 minutes. As you can see right here, the avocado color has changed from green to brown. You can actually see here and a part of it where the oil actually comes up and the avocado sinks to the bottom. What I'll be doing here is to take it off the stove because it's already 45 minutes, and I'm going to strain it through a strainer first, and then I'll be straining it through a cheesecloth. I choose to strain it twice because I want it to come out clean and pretty. It's all up to you if you want to strain it twice, or you just, the one time will do for you, but this is what I choose to do. I am pressing it to see if I can get as much oil as possible. So this is my cheesecloth, and as I said before, I will be straining the oil 2 times because I want a clean look. I want the oil to be perfect. Yeah. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, remember to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and also let me know what other oil you would like me to make or share with you. As you can see, the drugs in the cheesecloth, and this is the reason why I strain it twice. Look at this, guys. Look how this oil is so pretty and rich, or should I say rich and pretty. Yes guys, this is my avocado oil. So I encourage you to try this oil because it will do so much for your hair. I'm going to add about 20 grams of black Jamaica castor oil along with some essential oils like lavender oil, some peppermint oil, and I'll be just adding a few drops, and some vitamin E oil. I'll be linking all that I've used in the description box. This is coconut and vanilla fragrance oil, and I'll be adding a few drops as well. If you would like to support my small business, I will be linking the link for my website in the description box also. These are my applicator bottles, and what I'm going to do is to remove the cap and place a funnel, a small funnel, and then I'll be pouring the oil in these applicator bottles. Guys, sorry about the noise in my background. My son is enjoying himself watching his favorite cartoon, so you will hear him laughing a lot in the background. So guys, we have come to the end of another video. Hope you had enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Walk with the King and be a blessing. Remember to live every moment, laugh every day, love beyond words, make it happen. See you in the next one.